Hello class 5. Welcome to your English language class. I think children you have enjoyed your break, isn't it? Now today we will start with our chapter pronouns, isn't it? Chapter number 5. See, this is your book Basic English Grammar, as you all know that, isn't it? So take out your book and open your book at page number 25. So this is chapter 5 and the name of the chapter is pronouns, and in the previous class we were discussing about reflexive pronoun, isn't it, if you remember. So today you open your book at page number 25. As I have already explained what is reflexive pronoun, today we will do this exercise. Page number 25. Are you all ready? I hope so. Take a pencil in your hand. I will tell you, and by the time you will go on writing. Okay, doing the exercise. See children, let me remind you once again. So what do you mean by reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun means, one example if I give you, I hurt myself. So reflexive pronoun are used in a sentence when the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence are same. Because I hurt myself. I is the subject, I am the doer of the action, means subject, and it is going back, reflecting back to myself, means myself is the object. So myself is also referring to the same person, that me, I, isn't it? I hurt myself. So the object and the subject are both me, isn't it? So this type of sentences, in such type of sentences we use reflexive pronoun. And so many examples I have already discussed with you, isn't it? Isn't it? So I wrote the poem myself. We enjoyed ourselves in the picnic. He cooked pasta all by himself. Here also he and himself both are same person. So when do we use reflexive pronoun? When the subject and the object of the sentence are same. Clear? So now today we will do the exercise. Let us start with exercise number F. Exercise number F. Page number 25. Clear? So let me read out the question for you. F. Fill in the blanks with suitable reflexive pronoun. You have to fill up the blanks using the suitable reflexive pronouns. See, number 1, the woman enjoyed at the party. Then the woman enjoyed, you have to use reflexive pronoun. So here what you'll write? Herself. What you'll write? Number 1, herself. Herself. The woman enjoyed herself at the function. Number 2 sentence, number 2, Mayank went there all by. Mayank is name of one boy. So Mayank went there all by himself. Write down. H-I-M, him, S-E-L-F, himself. Himself. Done? Then number 3. I painted this picture by myself. M-Y-S-E-L-F. Myself. Done? Number 4. Okay. He could not understand the maths problems by, he is there, so himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. Himself. Done? Now come to number 5. Read the sentence. Number 5. The students enjoyed dash at the party. So students means more than one student, isn't it? So the students enjoyed themselves. What will write? T-H-E-M, them, S-E-L-V-E-S, themselves. Okay. Then number 6. We cooked the food by, we means plural, ourselves. Then ourselves. Ourselves. Number 7. Read the sentence and try to do. Number 7. He wrote the application all by he. Means himself. 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 Then number 8. Read the sentence. Boys, will you line dash up? Boys means more than one. Boys will, boys, you will line yourselves. Boys, so yourselves. 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 Number 8, yourselves. Then number 10, he dried dash with a towel. He dried himself. Write down. Himself. Okay. Now number 10. I am rubbing number 1 this side. So then we'll do number 10, isn't it? What is number 10? He dried. Oh, number 10. Number 9 is, Number 9 is the thieves hid. Not himself, children. Make a correction here. This is number 10 actually. I skipped one. Number 9 will be the thieves, more than one thief. The thieves hid themselves behind the wall. Here, number 9 you'll write themselves. Themselves. Then number 10 is he dried himself with a towel. So number 10 you'll write himself. Then come to number 11. Read out the sentence. My friends introduced to my parents. My friends. So introduced themselves. 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 Then number 12. Number 12 read out. She always looks at herself in the mirror. So number 12 will be herself. She always looks at herself in the mirror. Number 13. I learned to play the piano by myself. So number 13 will be myself. 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 Clear? Then number 14. They cooked for. They means they cooked for themselves. I'm rubbing this. So number 13. 14 will be they cooked for. Number 14. Write down themselves. THEMSELVES. They cooked for themselves. Is it clear? Now number 15, the last one. Tina's pet dog walked home by. How many dogs are there? Only one. Whose dog? Tina's dog. So we are talking about the dog. So Tina's dog is the subject here. So Tina's pet dog walked home by, as it is an animal, we'll write itself. So IT, itself. Okay. Understood? Is it clear to all? So these are all what we have used now in filling the blanks are all reflexive pronouns. Isn't it? I hope by this time reflexive pronoun is clear to you all. Isn't it? So go through this all and please do this all in the CW copy, in the book itself. Okay, you'll do it in the book. So there are 15 sentences. We have done exercise number F of chapter 5 and we have completed exercise number F, and then we will go to possessive pronoun. Okay, what we'll do? Possessive pronoun. Now let me tell you what is possessive pronoun. Okay, so bear up. We'll start possessive pronoun. It is simple. It is another kind of pronoun. Very simple. We have done reflexive pronoun. Now we will do possessive pronoun. Possessive. You must have heard this word earlier also. Possessive means what? Means belongingness, ownership. Okay. So the definition, see, pronouns that tells who or what owns something are called possessive pronoun, and they take the place of possessive noun. And they take the place of possessive noun, and this possessive pronoun, they take the place of possessive noun. Suppose this pen is mine, means I am the owner of this pen. This book belongs to me. Okay, this book is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. Okay, suppose if I say this red pen is hers, means she is the owner of this red pen. So she owns this pen. So this is what possessive pronoun. Is it clear? Possessive pronoun tells us who or what owns something. It may be anything. It may be a car, it may be a house, many things. Okay, like few example I'll give you. Possessive pronoun you have understood. Possessive means what? Who or what wants something, means owner of something, isn't it? This pen is mine, this car is yours, you are the owner. This means what? When I said this car is yours, means you are the owner of the car, you possess the car, isn't it? So it is possessive pronoun. Few examples are given here. Read with me. These red shoes are mine, means these red shoes are mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. It is written with red ink. See this one. Okay, this way the other examples are, she likes to read Harry Potter series. These books are hers, means she is the owner of the books. Then you drive this car, is it yours? Means is the car belongs to you. It shows belongingness. The Kumars live in this house is theirs. That house over there is his. That house over there is his. Then we have many aunts, uncles and cousins. Ours is a big family. Okay. So all these words written in red ink are known as possessive pronoun, and I think you have understood what is possessive pronouns. Okay. Now turn the page to page number 26. Yes, this is page number 26, isn't it? See, few things that you have to remember. I'll read for you. See the words like, as I have told you, mine, hers, yours, his, theirs, ours, all these are what? They are possessive pronouns, and they shows to whom certain things belong, as I have explained to you. So you will read this, then you can keep this in mind. Now, possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. No noun is used after this. See, if I write, this book is mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun. So what you have to remember always, you have to remember that this possessive pronouns always comes after the noun. Book is the noun here. Book is noun. So possessive pronoun always comes after what? Nouns. Okay, it will not come before nouns. It will always come after nouns. Okay, clear. Now see, we should be clear about the main difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjective. So there is possessive adjective also. When we will learn more about adjective, there you will find kinds of adjectives. There you will learn about possessive adjectives. So when we will discuss the chapter, I will tell all about possessive adjectives. By this time you learn that possessive pronouns always comes after noun, whereas possessive adjectives, they come before the noun. Okay, this one we will discuss afterward about possessive adjective. So this much you will keep in your mind. Okay. So, and then read the table given below. First person singular number, plural number, as we have already done here. Once again, first person means, when we are talking about first person, means me, I, isn't it? So singular number is mine. This book is mine. Now if it belongs to myself, my son and my family, when I talk about my whole family, then it will say this book is ours, isn't it? And second person, yours, singular number also yours, plural also yours, isn't it? So, and third person, if I say this pen is his, isn't it? So his and hers, singular number. When I talk about a plural, then we'll say this pen is theirs, when there are more than one subject. Okay, so up to this we will do today in this class, and in the next video we will do the exercise. Till then, bye bye.